Hi dear students, welcome to my class. Now we are going to learn one more new topic in mental ability test. That is topic 7 part 4 series or figure series completion directions. In question numbers 13 to 16, there are three question figures on the left side and the space for the fourth figure is left blank. The question figures are in a series. Find out one figure from among the answer figures given on the right side which occupies the blank space for the fourth figure on the left side and completes the series. Indicate your answer by darkening the circle in the OMR answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. Children, let us see questions given in Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test 2020. Question figures. Question number 13. In first figure there is a circle. In second figure circle and in third figure circle into circle. What comes next? In fourth blank we have question mark. That means what comes next? Basing this series, we have to identify this fourth figure. Circle into circle after circle into circle into. So every next figure having one more a sequence circle into circle into circle circle into circle into. So option C is absolutely correct. So we have to bubble in OMR sheet against the question number 13 C. This is C, this is A, B, C, this is D. So we have to bubble this option C. We have to fill this properly, complete okay. Next question number 14. Question number 14 like this arrow mark and like this arrow mark, like this arrow mark. Arrow mark this side, next to this side, next to this side. Next comes right side. So right side, how many? These two have on right side, but one arrow only in this every figure. That's why B is correct. B is correct. B means this is the correct. B is the correct. Next question number 15. We have to observe this question figure carefully. So like this shape reverse ulta palta. Here 1 into doubled in second figure. In third figure, this ulta palta, this into doubled, again ulta palta. So ulta palta, first A, C are in competition. Next we have to count these into marks 1, 2, 3, 4. So in C, figure C have, in figure A, 3 only ints. In this fourth C we have 4 int marks. So that's why C is the correct option. We have to bubble in this. We have to bubble this. Question number 16. Here we have three, every figure has three pictures: triangle, arrow mark, circle, rectangle. In next also same, but these have changed their places. So here triangle, next here triangle, next here will come this triangle. So first we have to observe the triangle. First we have to observe this triangle. So triangle, here to here, next here will come. So like this we have A, A, B and C. These three are in competition. Next we have to take this arrow mark, observe the arrow mark, movement of observing arrow mark like this, here, here, next here will come. So in which figure? These two figures have like that arrow marks. So these two are in competition. These two are in competition. So next, this is not correct option. These two are in competition. First only eliminated this D option. Next to circle, circle here to here. Moving this circle clockwise direction, one arm. So next year will come. So in which figure? So both are same in here these circles. Next to rectangle, here to here came, here came. Next here will come this rectangle B, C. So these two have same place, but this must come like this vertically, not horizontally. So that's why B is the correct option. That's why we have to bubble this B perfectly. So B is the correct. To find out a series figure easily, we have to know few concepts. Rational rotational direction. First we have to know about rotational direction. The problem figure may be change or move or rotate in clockwise direction. So we know, children, rotate the clock like this, the end of a clock like this, rotate. Second one, this is called clockwise direction. The second one, anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means opposite rotation to clockwise. So that is anti-clockwise direction. Next, we have to know about position of design or position of items. First one. So what we call this position in this figure? This is left upper design. Left upper design. This is this position is this is top middle design. Top middle design. This is right upper design. This fourth one, right middle design. Fifth one, right lower design. Sixth one, bottom middle design. Seventh, left lower design. Eighth, left middle design. This middle one is called center design. Center design. This is the center. So center design. Next, movement of designs through distance. Movement of designs through distance. First, clockwise. This is a diagram. In this diagram, ear to ear, A to C. This is A to C. This is A to B. This is total arm or step. Ear to ear are called one arm or one step. One arm or step. One arm or one step. So ear to ear, A to B, off step, off step or off arm. Here I mentioned A to B off step, off arm or off step, A to C one arm, A to D one and half arm, A to E two arms or two steps, A to F two and half step, A to G three steps, A to H three and half steps, A to A complete rotation four steps. So this is clockwise rotation or clockwise movement. Next, anti-clockwise movement. Anti-clockwise means ear to this side, anti-clockwise ear to ear, one arm or one step, one arm or one step, one arm or one step. A to H off step, A to G one step, A to F one and half step, A to E two steps, A to D two and half steps, A to C three steps, A to B three and half steps, A to A on anti-clockwise direction four steps. Directional movement of designs, angular movement. This is also movement, but we are calculating by angles. Angles. On the in previously we have told year to year one arm or one step, but year to year 90 degrees, year to year 90 degrees, rectangle 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So A to B 45 degree, A to C the rotation of movement, A to C 90 degrees, A to D 135 degrees, A to E, A to E 180 degrees, A to F 225 degrees, A to G, here we have 270 degrees, A to H 315 degrees, A to A complete rotation 360 degrees. This total 360 degrees. This is clockwise movement, clockwise rotation. Now anti-clockwise movement or anti-clockwise rotation. So this side, year to year 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, year to year 90 degrees. So of 45 degrees, A to H 45 degrees, A to G 90 degrees, A to G 90 degrees, A to F 135 degrees, A to E 180 degrees, A to D 225 degrees, A to C 270 degrees, A to B 315 degrees, A to A complete rotation 360 degrees. Next, alternate changes. In problem figures, the changes are in alternate. That is, if we observe this, white, black, white, white, black, white. Next, in second figure, first figure, here we have white, black, white. Second figure, black, white, black. Next, white, black, white. So next, black, white, black, black, white, black, black, white, black, black, white, black. D is correct option. Sixth one, changes are in similarity. In each successive question figure, the innermost design goes into the outermost design. Innermost in each successive question, successive question means the innermost design goes into the outermost design. So here we have circle, inside circle, this goes outside. Next, here came, inside came one new one, square. So this innermost figure goes, innermost design goes into the outer design. So outer design. Next, this triangle, innermost design goes outermost design. What will come in middle? So this triangle will come, but what will come in innermost figure. So first one will come. This sequence is series completed. That's why this first one will come. This is the answer. So option C is exactly correct. In this part, the changes between figures can be based on the based on following. Here we have some more concepts to identify series figures. Based on number of designs. In this type, the changes occur according to the number of designs. The designs becomes more or less than its previous number of designs. For example, question figures, here answer figures. Small circle, two triangles. Three circles. Next to one, two, three, four triangles will come. Four triangles mean option 4 is correct. Here two only, four circles, two triangles. So that's why option 4 is correct. Based on number of sides of designs. In this type, the numbers of sides of design increases or decreases. In first figure, two sides, three sides, four sides. Next to how many sides will come? How many sides comes? Here two, three, four, five. Five sides comes. Five sides figure comes. Five sides figures. So this is circle. So this five sides. So this is correct. Based on position of designs. In this type, designs move from the one position to another in a certain fixed pattern. Position of designs. So this moving, this figure is moving like this one, change it like this. Next to this first figure will come. Changing the figure based on size and color of designs. In this type, shaded designs become unshaded and vice versa. Small designs becomes larger and vice versa. And a new design replaces the other design. Example for question figures: square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle. But here the color size same, but color in second figure one triangle shaded, in third figure two figures shaded, triangle and circle. In fourth figure these three are shaded. So that's why option 2 is correct. Ascending order, seventh bit, ascending order, problem figure, answer figures. Here first figure one arrow, two arrows, three arrows. Next to how many arrows comes? Four. Four arrows come in this one, two, three, four. Ascending means, what is ascending? Ascending means less to more, less to more. So that's why 1, 2, 3, next to 4. Here 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, next 4 circles. Option 2. Three sided figure triangle. So 3-sided figure, 4-sided figure, 5-sided figure. Next 6-sided figure, which has 6 sides. This is has 6 sides, 6 sides. Stars 2, 2, 4, 6. Next to 8 will come. 2 stars, 4 stars, 6 stars, 2 stars, 4 stars, 6 stars. Next to 8 stars, 8 stars in figure 4. Descending order, 8th bit, descending order. Descending order means more to less, more to less. 4 arrows, 4, 3, 2, 1. So option in this 2, in this 1. 4 circle, 3 circles, 2 circles, next to 1 circle. Here we have 2 1 circles, second option and third option. But in middle, smaller one are eliminating. So that's why we have to take option 3. We have to choose the option 3. Stars, count the stars. 4, 8. Here we have 8, 8, 6, 4. Next to 2 stars. In this 2, in this 3, in this 4, in this 1. We want 2. 2 means option 1. On fourth question, we have to count the sides of these figures. Sides. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Here is a sequence. 6, 5, 4, 3. Here will come 3. 3 means a triangle. So this is not, this is not, this is not. Fourth one is correct. Ninth one, clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. So how to rotate clock we know already. Clockwise rotation. Like this rotate clock. So arrow mark this side, this side, this side came. Means so clockwise, rotating clockwise. How much angle? 90 degrees. So here to here 90 degree. So here to here will come. So like this, like that figure 1 only here. So first option 1 is correct. Second question, problem figure. This is also clockwise ear to ear came 90 degree clockwise, 90 degree. Here also clockwise 90 degree. Next ear to ear will come this side. So here we have only one and only one. So third one is correct. Next, the third question number 3. Here we have next to ear to ear, next ear to ear, next ear will come. But here one more sequence series is there. 1, 2, 3, next 4 will come. Here start and 4. So option 2 is correct. These all are observing clockwise. These all are in clockwise only. So here 1, here 1. Next figure ear to ear. Next ear. Next where will come? This side will come. This side. This side. This side means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Here we have 3 only, so that's why this is not correct option. In this 4, but this side to start, not this side. So that's why this is also not correct. So here not there in this figure. So option 4 is exactly correct. Question 5. Problem figure. Matchsticks 4. Second, this matchstick changed the direction. This changes the direction. Next in this is changed. This is already changed. In this year change, this one changed. Next, which one change? This upper one change. So this match stick as it is on right side. So this is not correct. So changed. This is not changed. So that's why 2 is correct. Sixth question, problem figure. Here is a dot, here is shaded. Second figure, here to here changed. 1 step. Next to here to 1, 2 steps. Next to 3 steps. You have to calculate 3 steps. 3 steps means 1, 2, 3. Here will come. Here will come. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Option 3 is correct. Tenth one, anti-clockwise direction. Now we have to observe this. These are given in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction we know. This is the direction of anti-clockwise direction. anti-clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction. So 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. So this here, next to this side will come. We have one figure only, like that. Here we have star. Here to here came. Next here came. Next to where it came. Here this side will come. That side only, fourth option. Third question, problem figure. Here is the figure. Second, this side came and also changed, increased 1, 1, 2. Next, here came clockwise and clockwise. So here to here, here. Next to this side also come. This side also. This side, this side, this side. So 4. In this we have 4. In this we have 2. In this we have 4. In this we have 3. So these are not correct. These are in competition. But the figures, inside figures are this sides side, not corner side. So that's why 3 is correct. Fourth, here is the into mark. 90 degree clockwise and increasing also. Here came, next year came, next year must come. This side must come. 4. This 3. Question number 5. Problem figures on left hand side. Here we have 4 matchsticks that are rounded shapes inside. In second figure, one matchstick changed like this one changed like this, and in next figure this one changed like this. So next figure, how like, so this one changed like, which figure is correct? So this one, third one is correct. Next, question number 6. Problem figures on left hand side like this. Here shaded. Next, ear to ear one step. Next, ear to ear 1 2 steps. Next 3 steps, 1 2 3. Here will come 1 2 3. So option 2 is correct. 1 2 3. Option 2 is correct. Twelfth, clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Here we have to observe both the directions. First, long arrow mark. This is rotating anti-clockwise. How much angle? 90 degree. anti-clockwise. So here came, next year came, next year will came, here will come. So option like this one only. No need of observing this two. If there is competition in these two angles, we have to observe this also. This small angle, small arrow, this side, this small arrow 90-degree rotating on clockwise. So here to here, here to here. So option 2 is exactly correct. Next to second question, arrow mark going upside, next to this side, here to here, 45 degree clockwise, 45-degree clockwise. So here, next year this side will come. So this side will come. This side means which one only in this. So third one is exactly correct. Question number 3. First we have observed this small circle 0 or 0 rotating this clockwise. 0 is clockwise, one step, clockwise one step, clockwise one step. So here to here, next year will come. There are competition in this. So 1 and 4. Next to this line, we have to identify line here to this clockwise anti-clockwise rotation. Line is in and line anti-clockwise here to here. So one step, this is also one step, so here next year will come. So option 1 is absolutely correct. Fourth one, into marks. First we have to identify, observe the into marks in this 1, 2, 3, next 4 will come. So 4 means first to third in competition. First and third are in competition. Next we have to identify this rotation. Here to here came 90-degree angle clockwise, 90-degree angle in clockwise. So here next year will come. So 1, 3. So then two options same only, here only the into marks. So next we have to identify these shaded portion circle. 1, 2, 3, next 4, first to third. Okay, these also shaded. Full in this horizontal lines, horizontal lines, horizontal lines, horizontal lines. Okay, this also horizontal lines. Horizontal, horizontal, horizontal. But in third, these lines are vertical. That's why option 1 is correct. So these lines are horizontal, but in this vertical. So that's why option 1 is absolutely correct. Next, fifth one, here to into how many steps? So one, two steps, one, two steps, one, two steps. Next to here to one, two, three steps. Next to four steps, we have to calculate four steps. Here to four steps, one, two, three, four. This side. So no one has here. One only has. That is option 4. Absolutely correct. Sixth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 5, 4, 3, next 2. These two are in competition. Second one and third one in competition. Now we have to observe arrow mark. This corner, next to this corner, next to this side corner. So option 2 is correct. This side corner. Now example for two or more directions. One 0, two zeros, three zeros, next four zeros. Four zeros in all have four zeros. So all are in competition. So this line rotating clockwise 45 angle, 45 degree angle. So here to here 45 angle. Next to 45 angle, like this come. Like this come 45 angle. One, two are in competition. But which is absolutely right in this? So this side, right side circles are zeros or left right zeros. In first figure, left up arrow mark, right up arrow mark, left up arrow mark, right up arrow mark. Right up arrow mark means so this side. So option 4 is absolutely correct. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 arrow marks. 4 arrow marks, 3 arrow marks, 2 arrow marks, 1 arrow mark. This first, third, fourth are in competition. No zeros, 1 0, 2 0, next 3 zeros. 3 zeros means so one only. Those are competition. First, second, third, fourth. In this only 3 zeros. So that's why option 3 is correct. Next, third question. Arrow mark. We have to identify this arrow mark. Like arrow mark up, down, up, down. How many competition? 2 are in competition. First one and second one are in competition. But which is correct? We have to identify. 1 arrow, 2 arrows, 3 arrows, next 4 arrows. 4 arrows in second one. So second one is exactly. Next fourth question. circle, triangle, square. This in this circle went to back, next to triangle went to back, next figure, next to square went back, square go back. So that's why square go back. So first and third, first and third. In middle only all I have shaded black. So that's why first one is absolutely correct. Okay children, I think you understood well this series or figure series completion. If there is any doubt, you may send your message for my WhatsApp group.